interpret inverse functions. So here's one that is in real life. You're probably not going to use it now because you can just Google the answer. But before, if you're converting for temperatures in Fahrenheit to Celsius, right? You go up to Canada and you want to know, okay, it's 54 degrees. What is it in Celsius up here? Okay, so we can convert this by using this formula right here. I take whatever my Fahrenheit degree is, okay, and I subtract 32 from it, and then I times it by 5/9, right? But what if I want to go backwards? What if I want to take Celsius and turn it back into Fahrenheit? Well, that is just finding the inverse, right? So that's just going backwards. So we're going to take and find the inverse. So we're looking for t inverse of x. So just like the other one, we're going to take t of x and switch that to y. So y equals 5/9 times the quantity x minus 32. And then I'm just going to go backwards, right? We're going to switch the y and the x. Those are going to swap places. So x equals 5/9 and y minus 32. And then I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to go ahead and first, I got to go backwards. So I got to multiply. This is dividing by 9, so I need to multiply by 9 because then these cancel. And I got to multiply this side by 9. So that's gone. So I got 9x equals 5 times y minus 32. And then I got to get rid of multiplying by 5 by dividing by 5. And so I get 9/5 equals y minus 32. And then I can get y by itself here. I don't need that parenthesis. By adding 32 to both sides. What happened to my x? There it is right there. 32, not 22. So we have a 9/5 x, and then I add 32. And that equals y, and then I can, last step is to switch y to f inverse, but here ours is t inverse of x. Okay, so to find Celsius, t inverse of x, which would be Celsius, right, you could do that, equals, I take my, actually we want Fahrenheit, right, sorry, Fahrenheit, right, but t inverse. So we take our Celsius degrees, we times it by 9/5, and then we add 32 to it, and that will give us our Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's our inverse equation.